You love your cat, but some everyday habits may quietly damage its health, trust, and emotional well-being without you even realizing it. Cats experience the world very differently from humans. What feels loving, funny, or harmless to you can feel stressful, confusing, or even threatening to them. Most owners make these mistakes daily because they misunderstand feline instincts. Over time, these small habits slowly affect your cat's behavior, confidence, and happiness. Here are 10 things you need to stop doing with your cat right now. 1. Staring directly into your cat's eyes for too long. Humans use eye contact to show attention and connection, but in the animal world, prolonged staring often signals danger or dominance. Cats naturally avoid hard eye contact because it can feel threatening. When you stare continuously at your cat, especially while moving closer, your cat may become uncomfortable, even if it trusts you. Many cats look away, flick their tails, or leave the room entirely. Instead of staring, soften your gaze and blink slowly. Slow blinking is one of the clearest signs of trust in feline body language, and many cats will slowly blink back when they feel safe. 2. Petting your cat for too long. Many owners think that if a cat enjoys petting, more petting must always be better. But cats become overstimulated surprisingly fast. A cat may start purring and leaning into affection, then suddenly bite, swat, or run away seconds later. This feels random to humans, but the cat was often giving warnings the entire time. Tail twitching, flattened ears, or sudden body stiffness usually appear before overstimulation reaches its limit. Cats have very sensitive nerve endings, and repetitive touching eventually becomes irritating instead of comforting. Ignoring these signals repeatedly can make cats avoid physical contact over time. Shorter and gentler interactions usually build stronger trust. 3. Yelling at your cat after bad behavior. Many owners come home, see damaged furniture or a mess on the floor, and immediately scold the cat. The problem is that cats do not connect delayed punishment to past actions the way humans expect. Your cat does not understand that you are angry about something it did earlier. It only sees that you suddenly became loud and frightening. Repeated yelling creates confusion and anxiety instead of learning. Stress in cats often appears as hiding, aggression, over-grooming, or destructive behavior. Calm redirection works much better. Provide scratching posts instead of punishing scratched furniture, and reward good behavior consistently. Cats learn through repetition and routine, not fear. 4. Forcing your cat to be held. Many owners assume cats will eventually enjoy being carried if they are picked up often enough. Usually the opposite happens. Forced restraint triggers survival instincts because being grabbed in the wild often means danger. Every forced pickup teaches the cat that human hands remove control and safety. Eventually, the cat may avoid you whenever you approach. Some cats genuinely enjoy being carried, but the difference is choice. Respecting boundaries strengthens affection naturally. Instead of grabbing suddenly, approach calmly and let the cat decide the level of contact it wants. 5. Using laser toys incorrectly. Laser toys seem harmless, but many owners use them in ways that create frustration instead of healthy play. Cats are natural hunters, and their brains expect the hunting sequence to end with a physical catch. When the laser constantly disappears without reward, some cats become agitated or obsessive because they never achieve the satisfaction of catching prey. Certain cats may even begin chasing shadows or reflections compulsively afterward. Laser toys are safest when combined with real toys the cat can physically grab at the end of playtime. 6. Keeping food near the litter box. To humans, placing food and litter nearby may seem practical, especially in small homes, but to a cat, eating near waste feels wrong instinctively. Cats have an extremely powerful sense of smell, and even a clean litter box can feel overwhelming near food or water bowls. When bowls are too close to the litter area, many cats drink less water and eat less food than they should. Low water intake is one of the leading causes of urinary and kidney problems in domestic cats. Keeping food, water, and litter separated helps your cat feel far more comfortable and relaxed. 7. Dragging your cat out of hiding places. When cats feel stressed or frightened, hiding becomes a survival strategy. A hidden cat is not being dramatic or antisocial, it is trying to feel safe again. Many owners pull cats out from under beds or behind furniture because they want interaction or reassurance, but forced contact during stress feels terrifying to the cat. It teaches the animal that even its safe spaces are not truly secure. Instead of forcing contact, allow the cat to emerge on its own. Quiet environments and patience help nervous cats recover much faster. 8. Ignoring small behavior changes. Cats instinctively hide pain because showing weakness makes animals vulnerable in the wild. That means small behavior changes are often the first warning signs owners receive. A cat sleeping more, hiding often, eating less, avoiding jumps, or suddenly becoming quieter may already be dealing with discomfort or illness. Many owners dismiss these changes as moodiness or aging and wait too long before seeking help. By the time a cat clearly looks sick, the condition may already be serious. Paying attention to small changes can literally save your cat's life. 9. Using essential oils around cats. Many essential oils that smell relaxing to humans can be toxic to cats. Cats lack certain liver enzymes needed to process compounds found in oils like tea tree, eucalyptus, peppermint, and citrus. Diffusers spread particles into the air that settle onto fur and paws, which cats later ingest while grooming. Toxic exposure can lead to vomiting, breathing problems, tremors, and severe liver damage. Many owners never realize the diffuser is making their cat sick because symptoms often appear gradually over time. Fresh air and ventilation are far safer ways to keep a home comfortable. 10. Leaving windows open without secure screens. Many owners believe their cat would never fall because it has sat safely near windows for years, but accidents happen instantly. A bird flies past, a loud sound startles the cat, or it slips while leaning forward. Veterinarians see these injuries so often that there is even a medical term for them: high-rise syndrome. Broken bones and internal injuries are extremely common after falls. Regular insect screens are not designed to support a cat's weight and can pop out easily. Strong pet-proof screens or guards are essential for safe, fresh air. Your cat depends on you for safety, comfort, and trust every single day. Most harmful habits are not done out of cruelty, but out of misunderstanding. Small changes in the way you interact with your cat can dramatically improve its health, behavior, and happiness. Respect its instincts, pay attention to its signals, and create an environment where it feels secure. If you learned something new today, subscribe to Wika and give this video a like. Your cat may never say thank you, but its calmer behavior, stronger trust, and healthier life will say it for them.